you were to remove or add space when typing your work, you have to highlight what you need first. Sorry, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, now let's say you were to remove the space between this Master of Science and this Bachelor of Science. You were to remove the space in between them. What you need to do is highlight these two. Now you come over here, is your line and paragraph spacing. You click on it. If you watch now already, it's already in 1.0. Probably I don't want it like that. I want to remove the space more. I'll come to remove space. Automatically the space in between them before will be removed. And if you are not okay with it and you want to, like, you are typing someone, you don't know how you actually did like that, and you want to actually take it back, or you want to give it space. Now there are different line spacing in which you can actually give your sentence. So once you highlight the particular one you want to give the spacing, you come back to your line and paragraph spacing, click on it. Now if you should check now, there are different numbers or different values that you are going to use. So if I to use 1, it will be like that. If I choose 1.5, then that is 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. The more your value, the more the spacing between the words increase. So let's take it back to 1.15. Now if I remove the spacing between all these ones, what I'll just need to do is highlight everything the way it is, come to line and paragraph spacing, then remove spacing. Now if you check now the same thing, I just want to remove the spacing between this and this. What you need to do is highlight the two together, line and paragraph spacing. Now you can see it not remove. What you can just do is, you see this empty space here, you can bring your cursor there, then click on your backspace, that's your delete, then it remove the space. That is that for backspacing. Now let's talk about bulleting. Bulleting is giving key points to what you are doing in words. Now let's say we want to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like we want to number it. Let me just use another word for bulleting is numbering. Now let's say you want to actually number this is, what should I call it now? Should I use this key? This key, let me just say I'm going to highlight everything, which is the first thing you need to do, because without your highlighting you cannot do any formatting in it. Once you highlight, now you come to this place here where you see bullets. Once you click on it, on that small arrow here, now you will see different format for bulletin. You will see this, you see anyone you prefer, you just take it. So let me say I'm going with this. Now if you should note now, picking that now actually makes my words kind of scatter, meaning that I have to take this to 2023 back to its initial position. All you have to just do is go to front of the two, backspace it, to take it back. The same thing applies to that one, take it back. The same thing applies to this, it's going back, and the same thing applies to this, it's back. So that is that for paragraph spacing and line. Now let's just talk only on justification, which we've done initially on our first class. Or let's say we were to use number for our bulletin instead of using this icon. You can see highlight it the way we did initially. Highlighting is the first thing you need to do. Then you come over here, then you select different type that you want. So that's that for that. So that will be all for today.